Question number 2. Okay. A swimming pool consists of 18 into 10 power 6 kgs of pure water. The molar mass of water is 18 gram per mole. Okay, what does the statement tell you? It tells you 18 grams of water if I take, this will weigh 1 mole. That's what it tells you. What is the correct estimate of the water molecules in the swimming pool? Okay, see the conversion, the way how you convert grams to the number of molecules is like this. So 1 mole of a substance consists of Avogadro number of molecules. So therefore, if you are able to convert grams to moles and moles to Avogadro, then automatically you get problem is solved. Now how do we do this? So now let us do something like this. If 18 grams weighs 1 mole, how much will 36 grams weigh? 36 grams will weigh 2 moles. Why 2 moles? Because it's double here, so this should also be double here. Simple, right? Okay, so then by the same token, what does 180 grams weigh? 180 grams will be, okay, 180 divided by 18, which is 10 over here, right? So it is 10 times this, therefore this will be 10 moles over here. So what did we do in both the cases? I divided one by the other. 36 by 18 I did here. Okay. So in this step I divided 36 by 18, which I got 2, and I took this 2 and multiplied to the moles over here. In a similar way, when you ask this one, what did I do? I compared the masses here. I took 180 divided by 18 and I got this as 10 over here. I took this 10 and multiplied it over here. Okay, thus I got this value. Now in a similar way, these are all weights, right? So if I take this mass, which is 18 into 10 to the power of 6 kg when I do it, then what should I do? Once again the same thing, 18 into 10 to the power of 6, just a moment, 18 into 10 to the power of 6 divided by, what was this one? 18 grams here, 18 grams. Do write the gram. See here it was gram cancelled over here, gram cancelled over here. So here it is kg over here, this gram over here. It will not get cancelled, okay? But this number will go away. It goes over here. So you have 10 power 6 kg by gram over here, which would be 10 power 6 into 10 to the power of, this becomes, okay, or maybe I'll write this as 10 power 6 kg divided by 10 power minus 3 kg. So this goes away. So you are now left out with a number, so that you can take up this number and multiply here, right? Let us infer this number. What is this number here? This is 10 to the power of 9 over here. So I am going to multiply this once again, and I am going to say this should constitute 10 to the power of 9 moles over here, right? So we have got this value. Now what's the next question? 1 mole is equal to Na. That's what we know. So therefore what I'm going to do is, I'm going to write this as 10 power 9. Instead of moles, I'm going to write Na here, Avogadro number of molecules. Now what is the value of Avogadro number? This is 10 power 9 multiplied by Na is 6 into 10 to the power of 23, right? So which should now be 6.023 you have, but anyway I'm just writing 6 over here. 6 into 10 to the power of 23 plus 9 is equal to something like 32 over here, 32. So which is the closest answer here? 10 power 33. If I take the approximation 6.023 and then I do it, I get this D as your answer. Okay.